Welcome to V.S. Patel College of Arts and Science, BCA and BBA Department, a premier college in Bilimora, affiliated with Veer Narmad South Gujarat University as well as approved by AICTE. We are also successfully running short-term courses like digital marketing, hardware software, tally, accounting, office automation, web designing, software engineering, goods and service tax, key to success etc. Belonging to an Indian culture, we have included the Bharatiya knowledge system for our first-year students as a part of the curriculum. For the past 25 years, we have been dedicated to impacting young minds and shaping their future. Surrounded by rivers and greenery, our interface includes an adequate lab with the latest computers and internet facilities, large classrooms equipped with projectors, and the library is a hub of knowledge offering a range of resources for the students to explore. Our large administrative office efficiently manages the college. For those who love to stay active, we have a sports field, and we also have a gym well equipped with instruments for exercise. There are many colleges where we can get admission, but the facilities that we get here are what matter. So come and be part of V.S. Patel College. We offer BCA and BBA courses. We have highly educated and professionally trained faculty, having an average of 16 years of experience. Dr. Krunal Bhavsar, who has been coordinator of the BCA and BBA departments since 2007. He had published a design pattern for an iod-based women's safety device in Government of India. He had published a conference paper in an international conference and also published one journal paper in academic year 2024-25. He had vast experience in the field of higher education. V.S. Patel College provides a wide range of extracurricular activities, which include industrial visits, guest lecturers on current technologies, seminars on career guidance, best out of waste, poster making, poster presentation competitions, and many more activities. The students will be groomed and become industry ready with the efforts of expert teachers, making them recommendable candidates for the industry. We believe in creating a supportive, inclusive community, and one way to do that is by celebrating various festivals and special days throughout the year. We are celebrating the Silver Jubilee of V.S. Patel College's BCA and BBA departments, honoring a remarkable 25-year
journey.